I found this old wool suit jacket at the thrift store and I have this idea in my head. And if it works, I genuinely think this jacket could be worth 1,000 Rand. The problem is, I'm not actually sure it's going to work.
Hi, I'm Ravi, a self-taught fashion designer, learning as I go. Welcome back to my channel, Let's Get Sewing.
So I wasn't looking just for any jacket. I wanted something with really good structure because I don't want to build on something that's already falling apart. This is 100% wool, which makes it feel real, high quality, but also creates a few problems I will have to solve later. When I got the idea for the jacket, I knew I wanted one specific detail, but I had no idea where I was going to find it. Then while I was scrolling through the thrift store's WhatsApp group, they posted these beads and I immediately had to drop everything I was doing to rush over there and get those beads before anybody else snatched them, okay? These were the perfect piece to my puzzle and I was like, universe, yeah, you love me. These beads are so pretty and I love that they were a mixture of different beads. There's some wooden beads in here, there's some glass beads, but one thing I really loved was that all of them are Jesus Christ, I cannot speak. All of them are a cohesive color. They are mostly browns, reds, oranges. So whenever I thrift, I don't see it for what it is. I try to think of what it could become. That's usually where my mind is when I'm thrifting. And with this jacket, I kept feeling something more artistic and not formal at all. Something that still feels luxurious, but something completely different from the original jacket. That is the idea I have for this piece. With that said, I do have a few concerns, and I mentioned one of them earlier, which is cleaning the jacket. And now that I think about it even more, I'm like, how is it going to be cleaned once I'm done upcycling it as well? Because now there's going to be beading on this jacket and yeah. Thank God this piece does not have any stains on it. It does look very clean, but I do still need to clean it. And that's the biggest problem. And I would really hate to ruin such a beautiful garment. Like, it's amazing quality. 100% wool. I was like, yo, universe, thrift gods, you got me. I was like, I'm just ready to pay whatever. And secondly, I need to figure out how I'm going to be placing these beads onto the jacket because I need it to be in a way that everything won't fall apart after one wear. So we're gonna have to do a lot of research and a lot of trial and error. But I think if I can figure that out, we're gonna have a really beautiful piece. My goal is to make this piece 1,000 Rand kind of piece. Do you get what I mean? And some people will probably look at this jacket and be like, there's no way that's gonna be worth 1,000 Rand. Come on, please. But we'll have to see. I personally don't know how I'm gonna get it to be worth 1,000 Rand, but we're gonna try and see. Now the plan is very clear in my head. Now I just have to see if I can actually pull it off.